Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today we'll try to this magnification shortcut setting, how to use it. Friends, you want to own and friends you want to use guys magnification setting in your Google phone device. So how to on and use today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first of all guys, open your Google phone setting to use your magnification setting, then scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type of setting. So guys, where is magnification setting? So friends, click on accessibility setting, and this accessibility setting we will click here, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see magnification setting is here, we will tap here. Friends, you can see how to use this icon show how to use magnification settings. So guys, we will on from here. After on guys, okay option, tap here. So guys, one more icon guys, you can see guys this icon guys, magnification icon guys, we will tap here, and guys you can zoom on your screen and you can use this magnification setting like that guys. Friends, you can see like that guys, we can use this magnification shortcut setting in Google phone device guys. So I use your two finger, and guys you can scroll it, one finger also like that guys, we can use this magnification shortcut setting in Google phone device. So friends, you want to zoom on your screen, so guys tap here, and friends zoom like that, you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and use guys magnification shortcuts in Google phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. And guys, you will double tap, screen will zoom and you can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching friends. Do event out guys, rated to guys your Google phone setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.